Well, the city of Buffalo is no stranger to snow, but this weekend's storm is expected to pack a major punch. So much so the Bills will now be playing its home game away from home.
Yeah, that's when you know it's serious, right? The NFL is moving Sunday's game against the Browns to Detroit, but some Bills fans were ready to pack the stadium regardless of the snow. I mean, this is Bills Mafia.
After all.
They jump through tables,
they sure
ketchup
do.
and mustard. All right, let's go on over to Ashley Kafar with what some fans had to say, Ash.
Yeah, Nicole and Ryan, the guys we spoke to are truly diehard fans. They weren't going to let this epic snowstorm get in the way of Sunday's game, even with several feet expected to hit the Queen City today and tomorrow. However, the Bills won't be playing at home anymore. Instead, they'll play at Ford Field. The NFL announcing the decision yesterday afternoon. Now, we spoke with fans before the game was moved from Buffalo to Detroit, and they told us they were prepared because of past game experience.
I went to the Patriots game, and that was, sub-0 degree temperatures, and I had a ton of layers on. But this will be a little different. It won't be quite as cold, but the snow will be a little concerning. Yeah, for sure.
I actually went to a Bills Saints game a couple of years ago. I don't remember when it was, but it was super cold. But I actually got super lucky to where we were sitting in the stands where they're heated at Bill Stadium. But we aren't going to have that this time. So we're going to be right there. We're actually sitting second row. So we're going to be freezing. Yeah, it's going to be a cold game, but we're ready for it. I mean, you got to be ready.
Sunday's game will start at 1 p.m. Nicole.
All right, thank you.